If you're looking for an affordable backyard greenhouse that can protect your plants, extend your growing season, and give you a dedicated gardening space, today we're taking a closer look at the Garvee 6x10 walk-in greenhouse and whether it's actually worth buying. In this video, we'll cover the build quality, assembly experience, real customer reviews, pros and cons, and who this greenhouse is really best for. The Garvee 6x10 walk-in greenhouse is designed for home gardeners who want a compact but functional greenhouse without spending thousands of dollars on a professional setup. Right now, this greenhouse sells for about $429.99, which is about 32% off the regular price of $639.99. Making it a fairly attractive option if you're building a backyard garden on a budget. One of the first things people notice about this greenhouse is the solid aluminum frame combined with polycarbonate panels, which gives it a more durable feel compared to the typical plastic tent greenhouses you often see online. According to the manufacturer, the greenhouse uses 720 grams per square meter polycarbonate panels, which are designed to handle strong sunlight, rain, and changing weather conditions. That means your plants can get plenty of sunlight while still being protected from harsh UV rays that sometimes damage leaves and slow down plant growth. Another great feature is the adjustable roof vent, which allows you to control airflow inside the greenhouse. Ventilation is extremely important when growing vegetables, herbs, or flowers in a greenhouse because it helps regulate temperature and humidity. With the adjustable vent, you can open it during hot days to release heat and close it during colder weather to maintain warmth. Many gardeners say that proper airflow helps prevent mold and disease while also keeping plants healthier and stronger. Another useful design feature is the built-in water gutter system along the sides of the greenhouse. This system helps channel rainwater away from the structure while also allowing you to collect rainwater if you want to reuse it for watering your plants. That's a small but very practical feature that many budget greenhouses do not include. The greenhouse also includes a lockable door, which makes it easier to protect your plants, tools, and gardening equipment. The walk-in design gives you enough room to move around comfortably, arrange shelves, and organize different types of plants. Several buyers even mentioned they added small racks and shelves inside to maximize the available growing space. Assembly is something that almost every greenhouse buyer wants to know about, so let's talk about that. Garvee claims the greenhouse has a slide-in panel design that makes assembly about 40% faster compared with traditional greenhouse builds. The package includes the instruction manual and the tools needed to assemble the structure. However, based on many real customer reviews, the assembly process can still take several hours depending on your experience. Some customers said it took about 4 to 6 hours with 2 people, while others mentioned it could take a full day or even longer if you are building it alone. One reviewer said their husband assembled the entire greenhouse in a single afternoon, even though the weather was freezing outside. Another buyer mentioned that organizing the parts and screws before starting the build made the process much easier. A common piece of advice from customers is to carefully follow the instructions step by step and make sure every frame piece is installed correctly from the beginning. If the early pieces are installed incorrectly, some of the panels or vents might not fit later during the assembly process. Another thing many reviewers recommend is building the greenhouse on a flat and level foundation, such as a deck, concrete slab, or wooden platform. A stable base helps the structure stay stronger and prevents alignment problems during installation. Now let's talk about how the greenhouse performs in real gardening conditions. Many buyers said the greenhouse works well for starting seeds in early spring and protecting plants during winter. Some gardeners reported growing vegetables like tomatoes, strawberries, peppers, and herbs inside the greenhouse with good results. One reviewer said their plants stayed much healthier after moving them from a darker storage shed into the greenhouse, where they could get natural sunlight. Another gardener said, "The greenhouse holds heat well during the day, which can help plants grow faster during cooler months." However, like most smaller greenhouses, it may require a small heater during very cold winter nights if temperatures drop below freezing. In hot climates such as Arizona, some users mentioned the greenhouse can become extremely warm during summer, sometimes exceeding 115 degrees Fahrenheit inside. Because of that, opening the vent or adding extra ventilation may help regulate the temperature for sensitive plants. Overall durability is another important factor. Several customers reported that once the greenhouse was properly anchored to the ground or secured with stakes, it was able to withstand strong windstorms without major issues. One reviewer even said their greenhouse survived a severe windstorm without moving at all after being secured with heavy-duty stakes. However, some users recommend reinforcing certain areas with waterproof tape or extra anchors to improve stability during extreme weather. When looking at the customer ratings, the Garvee greenhouse currently holds about 4.55 out of 5 stars from over 150 reviews, which is generally a strong rating for a product in this price range. Most buyers say the greenhouse offers good value for the money, especially compared to more expensive backyard greenhouse kits. Common pros mentioned by customers include the spacious design, strong frame, good sunlight transmission, and the ability to extend the gardening season. The most common complaints are related to assembly difficulty and instruction clarity, which can make the building process slightly frustrating for beginners. But once the greenhouse is fully assembled and properly anchored, most reviewers say it performs well for everyday gardening needs. So, who is this greenhouse best for? This greenhouse is a great choice for home gardeners, beginners, backyard vegetable growers, and anyone who wants to experiment with greenhouse gardening without investing thousands of dollars. It works especially well for small backyards where you need a compact but functional growing space. If you're planning to grow seedlings, herbs, vegetables, or overwinter some plants, this greenhouse can be a very useful addition to your garden setup. If you're interested in checking out the Garvee 6x10 walk-in greenhouse, I've placed the link in the video description so you can see the latest price and availability. And if you enjoy gardening, greenhouse growing, or backyard DIY projects, consider subscribing to the channel for more product reviews and gardening tips.